General Knowledge Test Math Prep, Part 8. Find the expression that is equivalent to 2 times 7 to the 4th power. We need to look at each of our multiple choice options and determine which expression is equivalent to the one given. In order to do this, we need to have an understanding of order of operations. In other words, we need to know that we simplify by working within the parentheses first, then evaluating exponents. We also need to know that when something is raised to an exponential value, for example, 2 times 7 to the 4th power, that's the same as saying 2 times 7 times 2 times 7 times 2 times 7 times 2 times 7. Now that's a little bit awkward to think about, but since we know that we're working within parentheses first, we can simplify 2 times 7 so that really what we have is 14 to the 4th power, which is a lot easier to think about. And that's the same as saying 14 times 14 times 14 times 14. So, which of the given expressions is the closest? Well, first of all, I know that anything that involves addition is not going to be equivalent, because you can see here that we have 14 multiplied by itself 4 times. So that means that A can go and C can go. Now what's left is to choose between B and D. 8 times 7 to the 4th does not work because 8 times 7 is 56 raised to the 4th power. And we can see right away that these are not equivalent. So the answer must be D. And the reason why is that 2 times 7 is equivalent to 14 times, this is 14 again, times 14 times 14. That's the same as saying 14 to the 4th, or we can write that equivalently as 2 times 7 to the 4th power. Therefore, option D is correct. This concludes our example, and we'll see you next time.